Today I'm on the campus of Spelman College, a place where I really grew up. At the tender age of 16, I was a freshman here. My freshman dorm is right here in the corner, Abby Southside, to the day I die. I'm here today for our 30th Research Day, where I participated as a judge. And I wanted to take this opportunity to invite some of my clients and future clients to be a part of 3 small groups for next year. Now, when I stepped out on faith last year and left the classroom as a classroom teacher, I had no idea that Academic Coach Clark would even be created. But with the grace of God and His direction and help, this year has been one of the best years of my life as an educator. Next year, I will service 3 small groups: a middle school age group, a 9th and 10th grade group, and an 11th and 12th grade group. All 3 groups, of course, will receive instruction and assistance and prep for the ACT and SAT, as well as assistance in any subject area they may need. If you'd like to be a part of this group, and of course my scholars will become Coach Clark celebrities, then please comment on the video below. Once I receive your comment, you will receive more information. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn your bell ringer on, because there will be more to follow.